Now you're going to spend a little bit of time basically using the new, control new. You'll identify the template that you want to use, AutoCAD DWT, and hit open. With the quick access toolbar or using the save as options, or you can on your tab, drawing tab, you can right click and choose new, open, save as, all, close all other drawings. When you're prompted, if you close all other drawings, it will prompt you if you want to save any changes. You can hit yes or no. Okay. And then you'll practice drawing lines and polylines. Lines are individual line segments. When you select on a line after it's done being drawn, you'll have only that one segment selected. Polylines, though, PL, polyline, or polyline. Polylines are continuously connected polylines or multi-segmented lines. And when you select one component of that, they are all connected. The line command is not restricted to a plane, therefore it can draw vertical, horizontal, whatever, but it's a single segment of a line. Polyline are restricted to the XY plane. They must stay on the XY plane. Thus, it makes them good for control lines and things like that, or that are on established elevation. If you begin drawing on the XY plane in the flat, you cannot make one of the segments go vertical. It will not allow it. And then we'll be moving on to exercise 1 shortly.